If you like this beanie and want to learn to make it, watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Chillpill, and today we want to learn how to crochet this lovely beanie. I used this colorful yarn, 3mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. So let's get started. To get started, make a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, watch my How to Crochet Perfect Circle video. And then make 10 half double crochets inside the ring. As your first half double crochet, you can make 2 chains or 1 single crochet and 1 chain that counts as a half double crochet, or like this, make a half double crochet. Pull the short tail to close the circle. And make a slip stitch into the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the first one. So make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. And again, pull the short tail to tighten your circle. For the second row, chain 1 and make 2 half double crochets in the first stitch. And make 2 half double crochets in each stitch all the way across. At the end of the row, I made a slip stitch, chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, and 2 in next, and repeat the process. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. For the next row, chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, and another half double crochet into the next. Then 2 half double crochets into the next. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and repeat the process. And at the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. I make a slip stitch at the end of the row. For row 5, chain 1 and make a half double crochet into the same stitch, and make 1 half double crochet in each of next 2 stitches. And then 2 in next. So repeat the process. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. Make a slip stitch to the first half double crochet. Chain 1 and make a half double crochet into the same stitch. And then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. One half double crochet in each of next 4 stitches. Here's 2, 3, and 4, and then 2 in next, and repeat the process. 4 separate single crochets, 2 in next, 4 separate, 2 in next, and at the end of the row you will have 2 separate single crochets and slip stitch into the first. For row 7, chain 1 and make a half double crochet into the same stitch, and make 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then 2 in next, 1 and 2. So continue the process 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Chain 1 and make a half double crochet into the same stitch. And then 1 in next 3 stitches. So here's 1, 2, and 3. And make 2 in next. And repeat the process for separate half double crochets and 2 in next for separate 2 in next. And then make a slip stitch into the first stitch. For row 9, chain 1 and make 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Skip the next and make 2 half double crochets into the next. And repeat the process. Skip 1, 2 in next, skip 1, 2 in next. And make a slip stitch into the first one. Don't forget to like this video, write your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications. After making a slip stitch at the end of row 9, make another slip stitch into the next stitch. Make another slip stitch into the space before the group of 2 half double crochets. Chain 1 and make 2 half double crochets into the same space. Make 2 half double crochets into each chain space. And we only make that chain 1 at the beginning of the row. And repeat this row for as many rows as you want your height to be, and leave about 2-3 centimeters for the last rows. So my beanie is 20 rows in total. Now I want to do a few rows of single crochet with no decreases and no increases. After finishing the last row, chain 1 and make a single crochet into the same stitch. And make a single crochet into each stitch across the row. And repeat this row as many rows as you want. So I did 3 rows of single crochet, and now for the next row I want to work like the previous half double crochet rows. In the last row you should have even number of stitches. At the end of the last single crochet row, make a slip stitch into the first, chain 1 and make 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Skip the next and make 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. And repeat this process for as many rows as you want. So here I worked single crochet rows, here half double crochet rows, and again 4 single crochet rows. And for this wavy part I made 2 single crochets in each stitch. At the end of the row, instead of making a slip stitch, I cut the yarn and pull it out and thread my needle. Insert your needle from the back of your second stitch, both loops. And then insert it into the back loop of your last stitch. And then hide and secure it in the back of your work. And as you see, this way you can't find the end of your row. This is how it looks like at the end. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, write your comments down below, and turn on post notifications. See you in next videos. Bye!